Okay guys, so here's our first test. We've got this set to 0.5 amp. The voltage will regulate as we go. Disconnect the positive and negative. It's dark in here right now because I wanted to be able to see the light. It's not the right kind of light on there, it's just a little LED, probably burn out. I want something a little heavier like a microwave oven, something, car light or something. So this is fully connected. I had to switch these guys around because I realized, oh yeah, north, south, and so on and so on. So when we do this, I had to flip that so that I was checking for the right thing. Anyway, let's see what happens here. So we're getting a little voltage request. Turn that down. Okay. Hey, we're getting a back spike. And I hear it clicking. Okay, that's pretty cool sounding. Let's see here. Says 200 milliamps, 3.5 volts. That is so little power. That's like half the amount of power that you get out of a AA battery. You have about 400 milliamps out of a AA battery, but okay, we're definitely not pushing yet. Something is out of alignment. I have to take some time to figure this out. In the meantime, we're just going to turn this off and then start checking our full circuit and double checking the orientation of all these cables. Like it's a lot to think about. Sorry, trying to focus this. And it's dark in here, so it's not helping. I'll probably have a lot more resistance in all of this than I will have in a proper version. But it's not blowing up. No blue smoke. Let's check our temperatures. (15.5 degrees Celsius). What does that work out to? 155? What is that? No, it's reset itself. Anyway, let's check this one. 15. That was about the starting. I'm having trouble getting this to focus in the dark. At any rate, let's turn the lights on. So, not a success, not a failure. That's a success in my books. We'll figure out why this isn't pulsing with the right timing here. Just give me some time.